How to do things. Hello, aviation enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look into the fascinating world of powered parachutes. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore what a powered parachute is, delve into the intricacies of flying it, and provide you with valuable information on where to find the necessary equipment. So, let's strap in and soar through the skies together. Before we embark on this adventure, let's familiarize ourselves with the key components that make up a powered parachute. First, we have the canopy, which is the parachute-like wing that provides lift and allows the powered parachute to fly. The canopy is typically made of durable and lightweight fabric, specially designed for aviation purposes. The risers are the lines that connect the canopy to the frame, transmitting control inputs from the pilot to the wing. These lines are carefully attached and adjusted to ensure optimal performance and safety. The frame of the powered parachute consists of a sturdy structure made of aluminum or steel tubing. It supports the pilot, engine, and other essential components of the aircraft. And speaking of engines, we have the motor, which is usually a 2-stroke or 4-stroke engine specifically designed for powered parachutes. The engine generates the necessary power to propel the aircraft through the air and is typically mounted on the frame. Now that we have a good understanding of the various parts, let's dive into the exciting world of flying a powered parachute. Before every flight, it's crucial to conduct a thorough pre-flight inspection to ensure the safety and airworthiness of your powered parachute. Start by visually inspecting the overall condition of the canopy, risers, and frame. Look for any signs of damage, including tears, fraying, or worn-out parts. Check all connections and fasteners to ensure they are secure and properly tightened. Additionally, inspect the engine and check the fuel and oil levels. It's essential to maintain the proper fuel and oil mixture as recommended by the manufacturer. By conducting a diligent pre-flight inspection, you'll be able to identify and address any potential issues before taking to the skies. To fly a powered parachute successfully, you must become familiar with the various controls and instruments. The steering lines, also known as brake lines, play a crucial role in controlling the direction and maneuverability of the powered parachute. By pulling on the right brake line, you can initiate a turn to the right, while pulling on the left brake line will make the aircraft turn to the left. It's essential to apply smooth and gradual inputs to avoid sudden movements and maintain stability. Additionally, the throttle, located on the handlebars, controls the engine speed. By gently increasing the throttle, you can make the powered parachute ascend, and by reducing the throttle, you can initiate a descent. Mastering these controls will allow you to navigate the skies with precision and confidence. Now that we're familiar with the controls, let's discuss the exhilarating process of takeoff. To take off in a powered parachute, you need a suitable open area with enough space to safely launch and gain altitude. Start by laying out the canopy on the ground, making sure it's free from tangles or obstructions. Put on your safety gear, including a helmet and a properly fitted harness. Begin by starting the engine and allowing it to warm up. Once ready, apply gradual throttle while maintaining a firm grip on the steering lines. As the canopy inflates fully and starts lifting you off the ground, maintain a steady throttle and use the steering lines to keep the powered parachute aligned. The initial moments of takeoff require a delicate balance of throttle control and steering input. By maintaining composure and following these steps, you'll experience the sheer joy of lifting off and soaring into the sky. Congratulations! You're now airborne in your powered parachute. Let's explore some basic in-flight maneuvers. To turn the powered parachute, you'll utilize the brake lines or steering lines. Pulling gently on the desired brake line will initiate a turn in the corresponding direction. Remember to maintain throttle control while maneuvering to ensure a smooth and controlled flight. To climb, increase the throttle while simultaneously adjusting the brake lines to maintain the desired direction. Conversely, to descend, reduce the throttle while gently applying the brake lines to control the rate of descent. By practicing these maneuvers in a safe and open airspace, you'll gain confidence and become proficient in controlling your powered parachute. Now, let's discuss the crucial skill of landing your powered parachute. Select a suitable landing area free from obstacles and ensure there's ample space for a smooth touchdown. Begin by gradually reducing the throttle and allowing the powered parachute to descend. As you approach the ground, continue to reduce throttle while pulling both brake lines evenly to slow down. Keep your knees slightly bent and be prepared to absorb the landing impact with a slight flex in your legs. Once on the ground, gradually release the brake lines and bring the powered parachute to a complete stop. With practice, you'll master the art of landing and achieve graceful touch and goss. Now that you've learned how to fly a powered parachute, you might be wondering where to find the necessary equipment and receive proper training. To find powered parachutes and related equipment, you can start by checking with specialized aviation stores, both online and offline. These stores offer a wide range of options, allowing you to select the powered parachute and components that best suit your needs. Additionally, you can explore online marketplaces that cater to aviation enthusiasts. Here, you may find a variety of used and new equipment for sale. When it comes to training, it's highly recommended to enroll in a certified powered parachute flight school or work with an experienced instructor. These professionals will provide you with comprehensive knowledge, hands-on training, and guidance to help you become a skilled powered parachute pilot. By undergoing proper training, you'll gain a deep understanding of aviation regulations, safety procedures, and advanced flying techniques. Remember, investing in quality training is crucial to ensure your safety and the safety of others during your powered parachute adventures. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to powered parachutes. I hope this video has fueled your passion for aviation and equipped you with valuable insights into the incredible world of powered parachute flight. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exhilarating aviation adventures. Fly high, explore the skies, and always prioritize safety.